Hi guys, welcome back to Cortex, and here it is, my new company car. An ID5 GTX in this case, with some black wheels. Well, in case it's all black. So black roof, grenadine black is the color. And just look at this, guys. Much more black than this I can get it. Chosen for some aftermarket 22-inch wheels, but not only 22. With some other tire size, 255 40 20, so a bit bigger tire. And the plus of that is that it looks that it's lowered. So look at the side, there's not much wheel gap left. And then the rear, of course, also full black. The black roof, tinted windows, and of course the lovely 22-inch wheels. I've opted for the ID5 as a bit of a difference. Drove a lot of ID4, so had a chance to drive an ID5 from stock now, with some pluses in the price, so my taxes are a bit lower. Really like the car as it is now. Going to get the badges wrapped in black. Don't know if I like it yet, but let's have a look at if it's done. I'm starting to get on the ID5, really like the silhouette now. Still not sure about the rear spoiler, but looks cool. So really sporty car, and especially in full black. How cool is it? And again, the 22-inch wheels. Picked it up about 10 minutes ago, but the weather is horrible today, so it's already dirty, sadly. And also cool on the GTX, the gloss black panel in the rear bumper. Looks better than the sort of plasticky one in a normal ID4 or 5. And then the downside of black wheels. Look how dirty they got after, well, 10 kilometers. Then the insides, well, nothing crazy this time. Just the normal GTX interior with the door sills, the red stitching in the seats, the GTX logo, and of course the red parts of the steering wheel with red stitching. And then the downside of the 20-inch wheels. The usage of energy, 20.6 kilowatts per 100 kilometers. So that makes it around, quick math, a bit more than 300 kilometers. So that's the downside of the big wheels, but I love them. Yeah, it's a stock car and it still has software 3.1, so maybe I can get 3.2. My colleague is driving an Enyaq and he's got the 3.2 over-the-air update, so maybe I get it in a couple of days or something. My old ID4 didn't got it after a year, so let's wait for that. And I really love the GTX interior compared to the normal ID4. The gloss black panels on the dash, the red stitching in the dash. And well, there's red stitching everywhere, in the doors, in the seats, etc. Looks really cool. And of course, the steering wheel with the GTX logo. Well guys, what do you think of it? My new company car, the ID5 GTX. So the 300 brake horsepower. Really love the car. It's a pleasure to drive again. I think it's a bit better than my 204 brake horsepower ID4. Let's see how that works out. So please like, subscribe and share. And until next time, guys. Guys, I don't know what happened, but after the video I get in the car, it says it had a little software update and I've got 3.2. So it's a miracle or something, or the car already had 3.2 and it just had to change the software name. Maybe that's the case. So I'm happy.